What's up fam, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming on board, and please remember to subscribe, turn on your notification bell before you leave. If it's your second time or third time, or you're always a member of this family, thank you so much for the love, for the support, for everything. And today I'm gonna give you hugs, respect to you of course, and kisses. So on this video I'm going to share with you some of the challenges that I've faced from day one when I started my YouTube channel. Of course I have my YouTube book as usual, and I'm gonna go to the notes and just share with you some of the points. There are not so many, I think maybe 6 or 5, I don't know, but yeah, let's just check it out. The first challenge that I got to face, especially when I started my YouTube channel, is editing. Do you know, I went to school, yes, to do journalism and mass communication. Yes, that's a fact. And when I was in school, I used to be that person who wanted to be doing what I'm doing, you see, being in front of camera. Yes, that's all I wanted to do. So I really never paid much attention when it came to shooting a video or even editing. Of course, I've worked at places where I could get a chance to edit, but I just didn't like editing at all. So when I started this channel, I had to do it myself because it's a way I want to show it out there. In my second last job, there's a time I started learning how to edit using Final Cut. So when I started my YouTube, I didn't have a MacBook and I was using Windows, and the only thing I could install in that Windows is Premiere Pro. I didn't know how to use that Premiere Pro either, but this Windows was too slow. Where I used to work, there used to be a lady called Dina, and where she was working, they were editing. It was a company where they're doing wedding coverage and all that. So I used to just go and sit with Dina every day just to try and learn something, how to edit something, ask questions. I was always trying to ask someone else in our office, but sometimes, you know, you can only ask until a certain point, and then people will be like, they'll get tired of course of you asking all the time. So it's something that I had to just learn the hard way, and I had to learn how to use Premiere Pro. Then I finally got my machine, but now by that time I already got used to using Premiere Pro, so even Final Cut is not even helping me much. But yeah, I got used to using Premiere Pro, and I've been researching and just trying to edit. Then another thing when it comes to editing that I saw as a challenge was sometimes once you've edited a video, and then the rendering and the exporting usually take, oh my goodness, like it takes a lot of time, and I'm like, oh god, this video is supposed to go up immediately. When I started, of course, I wasn't as organized as I am right now. You know, we start from somewhere. So I was like, sometimes even editing a video that I'm supposed to post the same day, I'm trying to edit, like just like crashing everything, and that's not a good thing. So anyway, that's why you need to watch my video on how to never run out of content, because that one will definitely help you, and I did it. It's already up. Click on the link. Yes. So another challenge that I faced is that YouTube is very time consuming. Like it can really take your entire time. I know sometimes if you're not a content creator, maybe you usually think that it's easy, it's just a matter of just shooting a video and just going to post out there. My dear, there's just so much. Sometimes you shoot, and by the time you get to edit, you're supposed to post it, editing takes longer. By the time you upload it on YouTube itself, before it uploads there, it takes some days. And I thank God for Safaricom for giving us, of course, internet. It works faster for me, and I feel sorry for those who have to struggle with network or other internet issues. Like I can only imagine what they go through, but I'm telling you, it's demanding. It's demanding. Like it will just, you need to be always on toes. Let's say you decided, like when I started, I was posting only on Wednesdays, and by the time you shoot a video, edit, and then post on Wednesday, like it just before you know it, it's already Wednesday. So you need to post another video. So you're always, you know, on toes, trying to look for content, trying to create content. Of course, then I didn't know, when you're starting, you're still trying to figure out things are working. It's new, so you're just trying to learn as you go. So that's another challenge. It was really demanding, and it's actually demanding, and it's still demanding, just that right now I'm tackling things differently, so maybe it's not as demanding as it used to be, but it's super demanding. And then the third challenge that I face is getting subscribers. Oh my goodness, you know, up to date I still wonder, subscribing is for free. Like it's free. Like you can subscribe to someone's channel, and it doesn't even cost you anything. You don't have to watch their videos. Yes, I would definitely advise you to watch my videos. Like I'd really love if you just watch my videos, because it gives me like you show me that support, and you know, you never know what's on that video that will help you, or maybe will help someone that you know. So it's a good thing to watch someone else's video, but getting subscribers was just a problem. It is a problem, it's still a problem, and I remember right now maybe I'm at 1,000 subs, and for me to get to that 1,000 subs, oh my goodness, like getting to 500 subs was just, you know, a lot of work. Like it took me, I think, 1 year and either a few months, either 4 months or 5 months. And then by the time I got to 500, celebrated it, then within a month I was able to get to 1,000 subs. Like it's just crazy. Like it's crazy. It's a challenge, it's something that I've faced, and sometimes you wish you had many people to just watch your channel and just support you. I'm actually glad that at least I get to impact some people with the video that I get to create, and there are a couple of people who always send me messages or DM me on Instagram that, oh, since you started your channel I've been able to do this and this, like I always watch you, I like what you're doing. And I'm just like, it makes me feel so good, and it makes me keep on creating content. So anyway, subscribers, that's a big deal. And sometimes you get you go to bed when you have like 100 subscribers or maybe 500 subscribers. The next day you wake up, they're like 490. You wonder, where are the 10? Like, where do they go to? So something with YouTube, if you subscribe to my channel and you haven't watched any video, YouTube will consider it as a scam. So your subscription, or rather, it won't stick. So if you want to support me, you just go and watch at least some video and then subscribe. That way it will stay. So I even remember a friend of mine called Irina. She's a YouTuber, by the way, guys, you need to check her out. So Irina got to 100 subs and wanted to celebrate, and even did a video to celebrate. Can you imagine, after shooting that video, she went and found that some subs left, like the people, it was less than 100. So you get, she was celebrating 100 with the less than 100. So it's just crazy. So guys, if you really want to support like other YouTubers and any other YouTuber out there, and you want to support me as well, just watch some of my videos and then get to subscribe. Yeah, because that way at least it will stick, and it's a good thing. But it's one of the challenges that I got to face, and I was like, oh my goodness. And the days I was like, so someone just didn't, like, decided to unsubscribe. I used to ask so many questions before getting to know that that's what usually happens. But yeah, at least you get to know as you go, you get to learn as you go. So the fourth point is shooting. Like shooting when you're shooting alone, like right now I'm shooting alone, so I get to set that camera over there, and then sometimes it stops and I'm still talking, and then when I go there I'm like, it already stopped, so God, so I have to repeat again. So yeah, there's just shooting, that is another challenge, shooting alone. And then another thing is that sometimes you get to shoot, like there's a time we traveled to last year, 2019, we went to my first vacation, I went with friends, and there's a time we shot, we were using a phone, and we recorded like I think 10 minutes audio, only to realize that it wasn't picking the audio. So we didn't use that video as much. Like it was just a wastage of time. We realized that later in the day, when now we are going to, you know, check it out. But sometimes it's just crazy when you're shooting alone. Then there are also sometimes, like there's a friend of mine called Sharon as well, being Sharon. She's from Turkey and she gets vlogs about Turkey. I think I've mentioned her before on my channel. And she was telling me the other day that the time she recorded, she was very, very hungry from work. She wanted to record a video and then go eat and then, you know, just get done with it. So after sitting there hungry trying to record all this video, she realized that she had not pressed the record button, because you're not seeing yourself, you're recording using the back camera. So sometimes it's just crazy, especially when you don't have the right equipment, which is gonna bring us to the next point, which is not having the gear that you need. And this is a challenge I faced, especially when I started with my first videos. I didn't have external light, so most of the time I was shooting from my house, and I had to at a corner, and I was using my phone. I didn't have enough light, so I had to sometimes put very harsh light on my face using the side lamps, yes, bed lamp, or side, whatever, you understand what I'm saying. So I used to put them right there and then point my face and then, you know, the subject, and then put the camera there. But sometimes it was just too harsh and the video comes out so badly, and I was like, oh God, please just help me have some money so that I can invest in good gears, because I want to give good quality out there, and I feel like I have enough content to share with you guys, and I want us to grow together. So I was just praying, and then something just happened, you know. And at least I thank God for the type of content that I get to share with you guys, because at least I have lights and I have just whatever I need. And then not having the right gear as well will also make you spend a lot of time when it comes to editing, which is just trying to correct the light, because I try to post videos that when you watch, you're not struggling with your eyes, the audio is at least good. I was never good with audio before, but I kept on asking my friend Mambo. Mambo is very known camera person, like cameraman who's done like, it's just amazing. So I used to ask Mambo, what do you think of the quality of that video that I last posted? That was last year. And then he could give me feedback, and then I could work on 1, 2, 3, just to know. And then of course Googling. I spend a lot of time on YouTube, by the way. As a YouTuber, I just spend a lot of time on YouTube. But even other than being a YouTuber, I still spend a lot of time on YouTube. Yes. So my last challenge that I faced is copyright. And I think this is something that young YouTubers get to face like all the time. You know, sometimes you shoot a video and then there's someone else's music playing on the background, then of course it peaks and then boom, you have issues. So this happened when I edited an entire video for 15 minutes. We had gone for Zumba, I think, somewhere, and it was really nice video. And the song that was playing was down. Can you imagine after uploading that video? It could not go. Like I was told it can't go, like I can't upload it, I can't have it on my channel because of copyright issues. Anyway, I had to re-edit the whole thing, put another music, and then put it out there. And can you imagine people doing dance with a song that is not the original song? So even just matching the moves was just a problem. But those are things that you get to, some of the challenges that I got to face as a young YouTuber. And when I started my channel, there's some that I still face, like time consuming. It's very demanding. Yes, I think I said it on point 2. It's very time consuming. And the other day, I'd say that I was going to post my fitness video, and yes, before that fitness video got on air, like I slept I think at 5 a.m. because I wanted it to get there by 7, and I think I delayed by I think 10 minutes. It was up by I think 7:10 or something like that, but I slept for 1 hour. It was loading, it was just taking forever to go up, forever and forever. Then Safaricom had issues, so I had to call them, but finally they fixed it, and then it just picked up faster. And yeah, but YouTube takes a lot of time and it's a lot of hard work, and I respect all YouTubers out there. People get to post even videos every single day. I respect those kind of people. And for those who are editing using their phones, respect to you as well, because I know it can be really hectic. So guys, all you can do is just support other YouTubers out there. You know, if you have a friend who's a YouTuber, please just support them, because it's a journey. Like, it's something that when someone is passionate about, of course with all the hassle, you still have to come up with something and put it out there for you to watch. And by the time it gets there, there's usually a lot of work that has been done to it. But anyway guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you like it, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly press that button, and until next time.